Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Flex app to your bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your earnings from the Amazon Flex app, open the app on your mobile device. Log into your Amazon Flex account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu by tapping on the three lines in the upper left corner. From the menu, select the option labeled Earnings. You will see an overview of your current earnings. To withdraw, look for the button that says Withdraw Earnings or Transfer to Bank. Tap on that button to proceed with the withdrawal. You will need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check that the entered amount is correct. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred withdrawal method. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your bank details. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid delays. After linking your bank account, confirm your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank. After you complete the process, you can check the status of your withdrawal in the Earnings section. It's important to monitor your bank account for successful deposits. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section in the app for assistance. Feel free to reach out to Amazon Flex support if you need further help with your withdrawal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.